Hi guys, and welcome back to Fit with T. So today I'm going to show you 10 dynamic stretches. The dynamic stretching is great to incorporate into your warm-up. So rather than static stretching where you are essentially static, you're stationary and you're holding each stretch for a set length of time in one particular position. Dynamic stretching, you're essentially stretching on the move, using motion to elongate your muscles and take your limbs through a range of motion. So you're stretching out your muscles, stretching out your ligaments, etc. So you want to incorporate it into your warm-up. I personally like to do my dynamic stretching after I've already raised my heart rate, so whether that's through jogging or skipping, and once I've already done my drills, then I like to do dynamic stretching. You can do dynamic stretching before you drill if you like, and you can also incorporate dynamic stretching as part of your active recovery day if you're going to include one. And I've spoken about that before in my 10 natural ways to aid your muscle recovery, so check that video out if you haven't checked it out already. So I'm going to show you 10 dynamic stretches today. These are not an exhaustive list, it's just 10 different movements that you can incorporate into your warm-up routine. I hope you like them, so let's get into it. So I hope these exercises are helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below which one you like the best, and if you're going to incorporate any of these into your warm-up or into your active recovery days, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video guys, give it a big thumbs up to help me accelerate my channel, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe now, and I will see you guys next Friday.